Welcome back to SoCo Customs. My name is Brian and we've got a dope build for you today. This customer ended up with a set of one-off wheels, but stick around for that. We are SoCo Customs. Check it out. Cold and snowy the day that we cut the original video, but we've been getting some warmer days lately, so I am cutting this from my own backyard, enjoying the heat while we got it here, because here in Colorado it does not last long. But I digress. Let's get into this build. We sent this two-door 2012 Jeep up on the 4-inch Super Lifts kit. We sent those lift components over to Goldcrest Coatings to give this one-off color. This color is called Passion Pink from Prismatic Powders. I am trying real hard not to just spit all over my lens. The wheels are the Black Rhino Arc. Jeep purist, you're going to want to chill out for this one. But it's not a 17! The 20s just look better. These are a 20 by 9 in this one-off pink design. We sent these over to Supreme Refinish. And of course, a SoCo build would not be complete without all 5 of these Klever RTs. They're a 35-12-50. Alright guys, here's that build sheet with part numbers and color numbers. Feel free to screenshot if you need. Hey guys, I literally had to fight somebody to get my SoCo hat from this run. It was not serviced with a smile that day, so make sure to get them while you can. I'm going to put those in the post roll. Cheers.